welcome to the course on Electrical System Design. Today's topic is protective devices used in domestic dwelling. A device used to protect equipment, machinery, component and devices in electrical and electronic circuit against short circuit, overcurrent and earth fault is called electrical protective devices. Protective devices are necessary to protect electrical appliances or equipment against short circuit, abnormal variations in the supply voltage, overloading of equipment, and to protect operator against accidental contact with the faulty equipment, falling which the operator may get a severe shock. The major protective devices used in domestic dwelling are MCB. It stands for miniature circuit breaker and it is used for overcurrent and short circuit protection. Then MCCB. It is molded case circuit breaker and is used for overcurrent or short circuit protection. Then ELCB, that is earth leakage circuit breaker. RCCB, it is residual current circuit breaker. RCD, it is residual current device. All these three are used for earth leakage protection. And the last one is RCBO, residual current circuit breaker with overcurrent protection. It is used for protection of earth leakage protection, overcurrent protection and short circuit protection. First move on to MCB. MCB are primarily used as an alternative to fuse. MCBs or miniature circuit breakers are electromechanical devices which protect an electrical circuit from an overcurrent. The overcurrent in an electrical circuit may be the result of short circuit, overload or faulty design. Unlike fuse, an MCB operates as automatic switch that opens in the event of excessive current flowing through the circuit, and once the circuit returns to normal condition, it can be reclosed. The specifications of MCB are its current rating, it is expressed in ampere, its short circuit rating, it is expressed in kilo ampere, and its operating characteristics B curve, C curve or D curve. The miniature circuit breakers are usually available in the range of 0.5 ampere to 100 ampere. And MCB's short circuit rating is given in kilo ampere and this indicates the level of its ability to work. For example, a domestic MCB would normally have a 6 kilo ampere fault level, whereas one used in an industrial application may need a unit with 10 kilo ampere fault capability. Next, different types of MCB. This is single pole MCB. A single pole MCB provides switching and protection for one single phase of a circuit. It is used in single phase circuit. Next, double pole MCB. A two pole MCB provides switching and protection for both phase and neutral. It is also used for single phase application. Next one is three pole MCB. A triple or three-pole MCB provide switching and protection only to three phases of the circuit, not for neutral wire. And this type of MCB is used in three-phase circuit. This is our four-pole MCB. It provides protection in all the three phases and additionally it has a protective release for the neutral pole. This MCB should be used in case where there is a possibility of high neutral current flow through the circuit as in the case of unbalanced circuit. It is also used in three-phase circuit with neutral. Next, classification of MCBs based on operating characteristics. Based on operating characteristics, MCBs are classified as Type B, Type C and Type D MCBs. First, Type B MCB. This type of MCB trips between 3 and 5 times full load current. Type B devices are mainly used in residential applications or light commercial application where connected loads are primarily lighting fixtures, domestic appliances with mainly resistive elements. Next, type C MCB. This type of MCB trips between 5 and 10 times full load current, and this is used in commercial or industrial type of application where there could be chances of higher values of short circuit current in the circuit, and the connected loads are mainly inductive in nature. Type D MCB trips between 10 and 20 times full load current. These MCBs are used in specially industrial or commercial use where the current inrush can be very high. Examples: X-ray machine, large vending motors, etc. Here comes the difference between MCB and MCCB. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker and MCCB stands for molded case circuit breaker. MCB can be used up to 125 ampere current rating and MCCB can be used up to 1600 ampere. And the interrupting current rating of MCB is about 18 kilo ampere and interrupting current range of MCCB is about 10 kilo ampere to 200 kilo ampere. MCB is mainly used for low breaking capacity requirement, mainly in domestic application, and MCCB is used for low and high breaking capacity requirement, mainly focused on industrial application. Trip characteristics of MCB are normally not adjustable, but trip characteristics of MCCB can be adjustable. ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. An earth leakage circuit breaker is a safety device used in electrical installation with high earth impedance to prevent shock. It detects small stray voltages on the metal enclosures of electrical equipment and interrupts the circuit if a dangerous voltage is detected. Early ELCB were voltage operated devices and it is represented by VOELCB, detecting a voltage rise between installation, metalwork and an external electrode. These have now been replaced by current sensing devices such as RCD or RCCB. In modern literature, voltage sensing devices are called ELCB or VOELCB and current sensing devices are called RCCB or RCD. RCCB. RCCB stands for Residual Current Circuit Breaker. It is the safest device to detect and trip against electrical leakage current and thus ensure protection against electrical shock caused by direct contact. Both phase and neutral wires are connected through RCCB device. This is our RCCB. See the line connection and the neutral connection. Under normal operating current conditions, the current flowing through the line wire become equal to the current flowing through the neutral wire. The current flowing through the neutral wire is actually the return path or return current. Under condition, there is no residual flux in the core and there is no residual current in the sensing coil. The relay is not operated. If any fault occur in the system, there is some leakage current and the neutral current will not be equal to line current. Due to this difference in current, a residual flux developed in the core and a residual current flows through the sensing coil. And this residual current activate the relay and operate the circuit breaker and disconnect the supply and thereby protecting the system. Thank you all.